Okay, get ready for forest for 14 years. Ordinary person. Get ready without consulting her opinion. Get ready, we have to go to forest. Ordinary person will say like this. And Sita also very ordinary. Why me? Excuse me, Rama. I heard the news. Your mother asked you to go to forest, okay? Not me. Ordinary Sita, she would have told like that. Excuse me, sir. Already I know the news. I heard. I am very happy about your mother. Because she never asked me to accompany you. In that case, I appreciate her. Very. No, say ordinary family, this will happen like that. So I am appreciating her. She asked you go to forest, okay? You go to forest and spend time and come back. Now I am very afraid of staying here because you have two more mothers. Kausalya and Sumitra, we do not know what kind of boon they will bring on me. So I can go to my father's place for 14 years. When you come back, then I will come back. You inform me, as soon as you come back, you inform me, then I will come back, we will start our life. Ordinary. Rama, no say Rama. Because ideal husband, ideal wife, they have to set the standard for the rest of the human beings. Human society, they have to set the standard. Rama comes there, receive this kind of boon, and straightly he comes to Sita. Hey Sita, this is the boon I got from my mother. I will go and spend 14 years. You be here. See that. You see the presentation? And she is also very the ideal woman. She says that because I am your wife, the life partner, whatever you get, sukha dukkha samana sukha dukkhini. She says that. If you get sukha, I have to get sukha. If you get dukkha, I have to get dukkha. So I will share your sukha dukkha. She is the ideal wife. Just now I told the ordinary wife and husband, okay? And this is the ideal wife. He said, you be here, I will go and come back. The ideal husband should say like that only. He should not take it for granted. You come with me. I cannot come with you, I will be here. You like me or not? Of course. Suddenly you bring this blackmail. Emotional. You like me or not? Of course I like you. How much? This much? This much. This much? This much. Then you have to come with me. No. You go. I like you. But you have to go to forest. I will do one thing. I will pray 14 years for you. You come back. Come back without any accident in the forest. Ordinary. The ideal husband, Rama, he consulted. You don't come, I will go and come back. You be here. See the concern for his wife. And wife also has got this much love for the husband. She says that, when you go, I will come and I will serve you. Again, there also ordinary husband, okay, taking this kind of wife to the forest is not ordinary thing. To take care of myself is very difficult, don't come. I'm getting another way. Don't come. No, I will come with you. Don't come, you don't understand the problem there. You be here, don't come please. Why? Because I know how much problem you are giving the house. But when when you come with me to the forest, I will die there. Very interesting. This kind of conversation our children should not hear in the family. The point is, you see, they watch how they talk, how they fight. Slowly, indirectly we are giving the education towards them. Rama set the standard. You be here, I will go and come back. She says that I will come with you, but I will not create any problem. You see the whole history of Ramayana, 14 years, she never asked anything, not even a small flower. The ordinary husband would have been there, suppose Sita would have asked, this is the flower I need. Hey, this is a little higher, okay? I cannot climb and get the flower. You like the flower which is lying down. You like this kind of flower. No, I want that flower only. Ordinary Sita will press this, what do you call, the demand. She will demand. And the ordinary husband, no, this is very It's difficult to climb. So just leave it, leave it. I will give you this fruit. We're getting it. So you have to fulfill many, many desires of this, or that lady in the forest. He will say that you be here, I will go and come back. Because when I take you to forest, I will die. I cannot spend 14 years. In 6 months, I will die. Because I know how much problem you create now home. Even the comfortable place, you know how much problem you create. There I will die in 1 month. So therefore you be here, I will go and come back. That's very nice, the standard they said. You be here, I will come back. She said, I will come with you. I will not ask anything. 14 years, she never asked her one thing. 13th year only, she asked her only one thing, one golden deer she asked. Then problem started. Only one golden deer she started. She said, I need this. And Lakshmana warned, hey, this is not golden deer, this is Maya Maricha, be careful, Rama. And Rama said, hey, she has sacrificed her life for me, for sitting in the forest 14 years, never asked anything, never created any problem. So I am looking for a chance to serve her, to fulfill her desire. This is the only one thing she asked, I have to get it. You see that? After 13 years, she asked only one deer. Rama also, he also knew that this is Maricha only. Even though this is Maricha, I have to get it. I am ready to take any risk for Sita. Because she has taken risk for my life. 14 years, Janakaputri. She is not the ordinary the person, Janakaputri. She sacrificed all the comforts and came behind me in the forest. I have to do. Even though it is filled with risk, I have to finish it. Now see that. Very nice kind of the husband and wife in the forest. They never were fighting, first fighting in the forest. You read whole Ramayana, you never, in one place, even one place, you don't get any, the fight they were fighting in the forest. Otherwise, you see ordinary husband and wife, they go to some excursions, 4 days. First day they will fight, then wife will come. You go, all the best, you go and come back, I know. You getting it? 4 days program. And she will tell other people also, hey, we are going, hey, we are going, hey, we are going. Then first day she comes back. Then next, the people are asking, what happened? That means all the story told, that's all. Very interesting. You see how they lived very nicely. Shall we go to next slide? Next slide. Next. So I think I don't have time to cover many things. I think I need 1 week to explain this. Now see, these are the very small, the condensed points, okay? This is after their marriage, this photo, okay? Yeah, this is marriage photo only. After the marriage, you see the pose, how they stand. This is Rama's hand on her shoulder. Very, very nice, gentle photo. Now see, how they lived, understanding. Whenever Rama wants something, from the mind, from the Rama's mind, the Sita will understand, understanding. He says the Hridayam Hrida, they understood from heart to heart. The understanding should be there between father and mother. You ask many people that, have you understood? 25 years. Fed up. You ask that, Amma, 25 years I also tried explaining, no, nothing. I don't think the brain is there. So instead of rock inside. Have you heard this kind of the conversation? I heard so much. So much in many families. Particularly in India, you see, you live in the apartment, you know all the stories of all the apartments. Here you do not know who is living next door. Completely private. There is we know all the stories of the whole that village. Otherwise we will not sleep. Suppose you get new family, I have to go get information today. Suppose the lady goes and sleeps. She is not getting sleep. And she will come back, take the phone. I had someone has come today. Who are they? 50%. Now I am slowly getting sleep. Now I will go and sleep. Understanding between the two people. How Sita understood Rama, how Rama understood Sita. Very interesting. This is in Balakanda. The next point is Sita's opinion is consulted. Before he went to forest, she asked Sita, Sita, I am going like this, you be here and I will come back. And she said, I will come. Then he explained all the problems in the forest. Forest is not like the city or the town. So this is the father. He explained the whole chapter of forest problem. Snake will be there, scorpion will be there, mosquito. Sometimes many people they don't get afraid of snake and or the scorpion. They are afraid of mosquito. Lions will be there, Rakshasa will be there. He explains all the problems of forest. And he explained everything. After that only she said that, even though you explain all the things, I will come with you. Otherwise, suppose a man hides. Okay, everything will be nice, you come with me. Suppose she goes with him. And hey, you never explained all this problem to me. Simply told come with me. No. So many problems. You never explained. I thought you understood. He explained all the things, consulted Sita. Then only he took Sita to forest. Not because I am your husband, I have all the right to take decision for you also. No, you are also individual soul. This relationship is one soul is going this side, one soul is going this side. Two souls are meeting in a house, that's all, for some period. For some people 25 years, some people 60, some people 80. I do not know when I get liberation. When two souls are crossing each other, this is called a family, that's all. So we do not know who will go first from this world. So the soul should get maturity before it goes the place there, from the family. I lived with this person as a life partner, then I got this much maturity, then I died. Going to next Janma, again, it has to get the maturity. For that only our scriptures kept this, the kind of setup, family setup. The family only the soul grows very nicely. Father, mother, the relationship. 99% family setup. Only 1% only like this they go out. not they go. In our language, not they go, we escaped. Right? Other way. No, I am not telling the family setup is very good in our system. The love, affection, commitment, the sacrifice, you have to appreciate family values. From the family only we also grown. You know, the appreciation should be there, sense of appreciation. He consulted and listening to Sita's suggestion. You don't like this? Listening? Listening to? You can't listen. Otherwise, male domination. Male domination. Male. This is in my house. He never allows me to take any decision. He also takes not nice decision. All the decision, bad decision. What is your opinion? No opinion. So you have to consult this opinion. The two people are over there. This is not, you should not bring who is higher and who is lower. Both are needed to fulfill each other. The man is a little rough, the woman is a little soft. When you have two children in our house, so both are very interesting. One is boy, one is girl. To handle boy, it's a little different setup is needed. To handle girl, different setup is needed for parents. So for boy, when you handle boy, you should not touch him very frequently. He doesn't like it. How are you? How are you? I'm okay. Why are you asking how are you? I'm okay. Boy, if you keep on going and pinching, the boy doesn't like it. For girl, how are you? How are you? I'm fine. If you don't give attention, you finished. If you don't give attention to small the girl child, finished. She will occupy, she will bring on what do you call, accumulate everything. And again, small ball falls on her head, okay, from the first floor. Ah! She will, and you will come down. What happened? Why are you crying? Ball fell in small soft ball fell. For small soft ball fell, crying too much. This is too much. See, the same way you scolded last week also. Last week I scolded, but why are you crying? See, same way. 1 month back also I scolded. I will bring the list. 10 times you scolded like this. Accumulated. Why? They neglected this child. To handle this, the different setup is there. To handle this, you should have ball fell, that's all. Bye. Why are you not crying? That ball fell, that's all, leave it. Different approach. Different. Both are needed in the life. One is hard, one is soft. Fulfilling the life. You would appreciate this, how God created. To grow the soul from the body attachment, mental attachment, intellectual attachment, we need to get this kind of the partnership. It's a very nice setup. Very nice setup to grow out of the weakness and that, appreciating the strength and coming out of the weakness, each other. Very nice setup. He listened to his suggestion. One time what happened? I think I am not able to finish this. So how he consulted Sita, how he consulted. And she said one opinion. They got a difference of opinion also. They got difference of opinion. We never said, the Valmiki never says they lived a completely ideal husband and wife. They never fighting each other. No, they had got difference of opinion. So one time Rama said one thing to Rishis, I will kill all the Rakshasas. Sita did not like that. Hey, we have come to forest for 14 years. We have to finish our work, then we have to go back. We have a lot of commitments in Ayodhya. Why unnecessarily you are coming and killing all the Rakshasas? And Rama said, I will kill all the Rakshasas. Excuse me. What is our work? What is your problem here? We have to go back. You don't create the problem here. She didn't like that. Rama's the words towards all the rishis. At that time, ordinary, suppose a friend comes to your house, the man says here. Friend comes, okay? I said, after a long time I am meeting you, I have need of some money, $50,000, okay? Story, give. The story give more, $50,000. The friend asks, $50,000 I need from him. He said, very good, I'll give you all the thing. If you want more, suppose if I don't have, so I will take the bangles and necklace from my wife. She is sitting this side. Sir, I made coffee. Can you come inside to take it? You go and bring. No, sir, you come, sir. You come. After a long time, your friend has come. So can you come inside to take the coffee? He goes inside. Lock the door. Excuse me. I went to an office. This is my money. This is my money. Now you take coffee. After a long time I meet you, my friend. I am very happy, but I'm helpless. I'm helpless. Getting it? The same way Sita also got this kind of problem with Rama. I don't like this. The way you gave your words, are getting it? The same thing is happening in our family also. In Sita's life only one time, here every day. Every month, that's all. So difference of opinion. When they get difference of opinion, she expressed a difference of opinion in a very nice way. So now see, this are the thing we have to exhibit in front of the children. Where Sita said, sir, so she was waiting for the chance. Every now and then the rishis come and they go along with the Rama. She was waiting for a chance. In front of public, she never told. Ordinary woman would be in front of public. I told you so many times, be careful, okay? She never told in front of public, first thing. Then she was waiting for the chance. She told two good things. You are very good in this, you are very good in this. But you are not good in this. Agreeing it? Before telling the third point, you have to tell like this. First two positive, then negative, third negative. Then they'll accept. Suppose you get all the pasta, taco, all the thing she made, Amma made. If you eat, immediately you should not say. You have to say this. This bhaji is okay. This vada is okay. This salt is okay. What is okay in salt? The salt is okay. That's all. Salt is okay. This yogurt is okay. Yogurt I brought from shop. This is not okay. You have to come like that. She presented very nicely that we have difference of opinion, but we fail how to present the difference of opinion nicely. Difference of opinion is needed in life. You cannot live without difference of opinion. Difference of opinion will come, but when Amma knows how to present or Appa knows how to present, then there is no problem. Then she presented very nicely. Rama said, hey, Janakaputri, how nicely you presented. Rama appreciated this appreciation. Appreciated. Suppose the mother makes some alwa. Instead of alwa, finally she ended with the kesari. Okay. She started with alwa, ended with the kesari. That's why many mothers, they will not say. The children ask, Amma, what are you doing? Surprise. I'm telling them. Surprise. She wanted to cover everything. Make the dull light, dim light, and make some music, dim light, and make it very hot, and bring all the guests. You come sit. And you start some interesting programs, interesting problem. Interesting problem you start, completely you divert their mind and give that alwa, so-called alwa, okay? And they'll finish. And after 5 minutes you ask, how is that? Oh, what? How is that alwa? Alwa? Presentation is very good. This is how you have to present, even though it is a very bitter kind of thing, opposite thought, when you present, you are appreciated. You appreciate. Because the Amma's opposite thought is very good. The thought is dharmic, but she doesn't know how to present. That's why the problem comes in a family. Then always quarrel. The discussion will become argument. The argument will become fight. Fight will become war. So how it's getting transformed now, see. So all the things you should learn from this Ramayana, and how he took care of Sita, love and care, fulfilling her wish, the golden deer. And Rama, he cried. When he lost Sita, he cried like anything. Every husband should know how to cry from Rama. Suppose a husband takes wife to some Kumbhabhishekam, okay? In Kumbhabhishekam, he lost his wife. Getting peanuts. Not announcing, my wife, where are you? Please come back. He said that, and taking peanuts. After two hours, she found him. I said, you are eating peanuts? You are not searching me? I'm getting it. He also, oh, so quickly you came. I thought you will come. It should not be like that. So all the thing opposite way I gave. Actually, when you read this part in Rama, and I said, ideal husband, ideal wife. All the problem, whatever we have in our family, they had. But the approach is totally different. When the mother, father, if they exhibit very nicely, the children can learn indirectly all the values. Thank you very much. Children are waiting. Children, actually, I wanted to tell about Chinmaya International Foundation, being the 100th birthday of Gurudev. So this year we are going to start Chinmaya University. Chinmaya University, very prestigious program. So we need to buy 200-acre land and more than 200 crores of project department and the Sanskrit University and our Gurudev's Chinmaya University. So next year when I come, I will share you about Chinmaya University. This time I tried, but everything lost in this project. So you visit Chinmaya International Foundation and you will be knowing Chinmaya University. Now we are working on paperwork to get permission from central government. So in 4 to 5 years we are going to establish this great university. I will share you little later. Little later means next year. Nice time with you.